Mag-unbox tayo na. Unbox the pouch. You're the unboxer?
What's that?
My lapel mic.
What's with me? What's this? Is it a puppet?
No, this is a puppet.
And what's that?
This is a puppet.
Wow, I love puppets.
Puppet.
What's that?
So this is mine.
What? What's this?
Wireless microphone.
What? That's your motto cone?
You're so ingay.
Yeah.
This one.
And this one. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Ayun.
This is the receiver. We'll try it later with my phone. And this is the mic. Put it here. Okay. And this is the charger, I guess. Yan. Charger. Ano ba yan?
Kayo charge mo?
So, yan. For Type-C yung kinuha ko. So, hello. Ito, try na natin kung gumagana yung mic dyan sa ating phone. So, nilagay ko na yung adapter dyan sa phone. Try natin kung gumagana siya. Yan. So, ang ganda ng packaging ng product. Meron siyang ganito. Ayan. Lagayan nitong mic at lagayan ng receiver niya. Ayan. So, how to use? Sabi dito sa manual niya, i-connect lang sa receiver yung phone mo. I-connect lang sa phone. Then, step 2, press switch key of microphone. The indicator light turns green and then the power is turned on. So, ito, naka-green na to. Naka-green na yung light niya. That's why I'm testing it now. Ayan. So, kung gusto niyo rin magpabudol guys, sa Shopee lang. Sa Shopee ko lang to binili. Ayan. Ito ang kanyang brand. Ayan. Ayan. Test mic test. Hello, hello. Ayan. Hindi nyo na naririnig yung sounds ng bird chirping. Meron kasi kaming mga ibon sa taas. So, dito hindi nyo na siya naririnig. Pati yung kahol ng aso sa kapitbahay. Hindi nyo siya naririnig. So, meron siyang magandang AI noise reduction. So, nakakancel niya or nare-reduce niya yung mga ingay sa paligid niya. Ayan. So, sabi dito, plug and play, up to 30-meter transmission. So, kahit lumayo ako ng mas malayo pa dito, maririnig pa rin na maayos. Precise radio, clear timbre, highly sensitive, widely compatible. Kahit anong cellphone, sasaksak mo lang, okay na siya agad. 360 omnidirectional. Ayan po yun.